Happy Monday. It is October 6th, 2025, and you're tuned into KoiCast. I'm Hunter.
And I'm Riley. We're coming in hot and fully synthetic today. This episode was made completely with AI, and we're battle testing Microsoft Vibe Voice 7B for the voices, so if it glitches and calls me Riley mid-thought, we're leaving it in. Science.
Today we're unpacking OpenAI's latest developer drop. Less fireworks, more plumbing. Realtime API, vision fine-tuning, prompt caching, and model distillation, translation for creators and marketers, lower latency, lower cost, higher control.
Also, quick flag, this is our second drop today. Earlier we riffed on that leaked OpenAI agent builder stuff. East Coasters, both posts landed late afternoon. If you want the no-code canvas tee, go peep that one after this.
All right, headline here isn't a new model, it's that multimodal is finally shippable. The Realtime API moves assistance from a chat box into actual live experiences. Voice on your site, in your app, in your call flows, sub-second turn-taking, audio streaming, function calls while the customer is still talking.
Which means creators can make their product pages talk back. Think a voice guide that answers, does this run oversized, while it pulls your order history and then boom, adds the right size to cart. For marketers, this is live commerce without duct tape.
Pricing-wise, text is roughly $5 per million tokens on input and $20 per million on output. Audio costs more because speech is dense. The design trick is caching stable instructions and only streaming what changes. Your bill thanks you.
Wait, caching is my love language. Let's hit that next. Prompt caching basically says, keep your brand voice, rules, and schema stable so the API can discount it. Don't resend your whole manifesto every call. Send the delta. Cheaper, faster, calmer.
Exactly. I'm structuring flows like lock the system prompt with tone, compliance, and tool spec, cache it, then pass fresh product details or user context as the only variable each turn. In in8n or make, it's just a static node plus a dynamic node. Easy win.
Okay, back to real-time. The automation lens matters. Real-time plugs into your backend via HTTP or WebRTC and can trigger business logic mid-convo. So while the assistant is answering a warranty question, it can log a CRM touch, look up inventory, and route to a human if it smells PII. It's not a demo anymore, it's ops.
You still need the unsexy pieces, topic filters, PII scrubs, transcripts into your analytics, and a clean human handoff. Also, I'd love deeper turn-level QA and analytics dashboards. That's still a gap.
Yeah, we need the coach's tape for bots. Give me a heat map of where calls go off vibe so I can tweak prompts or route differently. Bench me the LLM, coach.
Let's talk vision fine-tuning. You can tune 4.0 to your images plus text. For brand teams, this means consistent reads of logos, labels, layouts, and product cards across channels. For e-commerce ops, it's asset QA and auto-tagging that actually understands your catalog.
Creators, imagine bulk cropping that picks the hero shot you'd actually choose, or frame-level checks in video that catch when your logo drifts under safe margins. The lift is dataset prep. Start small, a few hundred labeled examples of right versus wrong crops, approved versus unapproved logo placements, and consistent alt text patterns. Then automate the grind.
Pair that with copy QA and you can enforce tone and visual rules in one pass. Photo, video, text, same pipeline. That's the dream.
And then model distillation. This is teach a smaller model to do your specific job using outputs from the big guys. It's your steady workhorse for classification, extraction, templated replies. Cheaper, faster, often more consistent. Just keep a fallback to a larger model for weird edge cases.
It's basically your tiered router. Distilled Mini handles 80% of tickets. If confidence dips, bump to a bigger model. Latency down, cost down, quality steady.
So who should care? Honestly, everybody, from solo YouTubers to enterprise ops. Solo creators get voice-native tools that actually help with pre-sales and support. Brands get the ability to wire these into CRMs and help desks. Engineers get new plumbing without midnight hacks.
And competitive context matters. Google's been pushing Gemini Live and agentic orchestration, Anthropic's strong on tool use with guardrails, but OpenAI's play here is wireable now. Also, there's cost pressure from the DeepSeek side. They keep flexing on pricing and efficiency, which is why prompt caching and distillation feel strategic, not cosmetic.
Yeah, the vibe in 2025 is speed plus thrift. If your assistant answers fast but melts your budget, it's cosplay. We like real.
Let's get practical. 3 workflows creators and marketers can ship this week.
1. Voice concierge on product pages. Use real-time for speech-to-speech. As users ask questions, push transcripts to your CMS for SEO snippets. Tag FAQs and log intent in your CRM. Human handoff for where is my order and anything regulated.
2. Vision QA for ad ops. Fine-tune on brand assets, then run batch checks before publish. Does the logo sit in safe zones? Is the legal copy legible on vertical? Auto-fix simple violations, escalate borderline cases to human review.
3. Prompt cached content factory. Lock your brand voice, schema, and CTA rules in the cache system prompt. Feed fresh inputs per campaign, product, audience, channel. Then distill a small model to handle classification and transformation jobs like UTM building or metadata tagging. It's the always-on, never-annoying stack.
And for podcasters, pair real-time with screen capture. Let the assistant narrate how-to flows live and auto-generate chaptering and captions in the same pipeline. Clip suggestions drop straight into your scheduler.
Meme caption for all of this? Your chatbot when it gets a mic. I'm not just a chat, I'm the call center now. Sorry, Twilio, I still love you.
On Access, the nice part is most of this is available via API today. Realtime has streaming and WebRTC. Vision fine-tuning lives in the fine-tune API. Prompt caching is a design pattern you can adopt immediately. Distillation runs through standard fine-tune flows. No need to waitlist yourself into oblivion.
Still, you'll want guardrails. We just posted a piece about building a synthetic media control plane, provenance approvals and rollbacks baked in. That mindset applies here. Let the bots sprint. Make sure you can rewind the tape.
Costs and ops reality check before we land. Small choices matter. Cache invariance, stream deltas, cap recursion loops, and route low confidence outputs to humans. If you do those four, you'll feel the lower latency, lower cost, higher control promise in your actual invoices.
And don't try to replace your whole stack on day one. Wrap capabilities as little services, voice router, vision QA, copy checker, instrument each, then chain them. It compounds.
Quick compare moment. Does this put OpenAI ahead or just keep pace? I'd say ahead on Ship It Now for voice-native automations. Google's deep-in ecosystem, Anthropic is great for safe tool use, and open models keep eating cost. But this combo, real-time plus vision tuning plus caching plus distill, feels like the most pragmatic recipe today.
Agree. It's less shiny sizzle, more wireable steak. Also, shout to Ars Technica for calling out how they packaged voice assistants in a dev-friendly way. That's why this isn't demoware.
Any gotchas you want people to watch?
A few. Watermarks and export limits if you're chaining media tools, check the fine print. Analytics is still thin, you'll probably roll your own dashboards. And turn-level QA for voice is the feature I'm manifesting. Oh, and dataset labeling for vision takes real effort, no skipping leg day.
Last thing from the COE lens. Start narrow, ROI positive loops. Onboarding flows, post-purchase support, add variant QA. Win small, then scale.
And if Vibe Voice 7B made me sound like a Pixar character for 5 seconds, that's part of the fun. Human plus machine. Blemishes and all.
That's the show. Thanks for hanging with us on CoeCast on this Monday, October 6th, 2025.
Grab the full breakdowns and fresh AI updates at coe.com/resources. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time.